Some, S-O-M-E, some. Today, T-O-D-A-Y, today. All right, let's look at our sight words. Let's skywrite these. Are you ready? This one is away. A-W-A-Y, away. Ooh, there's just way. W-A-Y, way. Now, N-O-W, now. Some, S-O-M-E, some. Y, W-H-Y, why. Today, T-O-D-A-Y, today. All right, let's use these in a sentence. Are you ready? I cannot go out today. Right, we'd put today right there. T-O-D-A-Y, today. All right, he can have blank grapes. He can have blank grapes. He can have some grapes. Good job. This is the blank to camp. This is the way to camp. Good job. I see the school. So what words do we have left? We have away, now, and why. So I see the school today. Very good, today. That's two different words put together. Today. All right, this is the beginning of a sentence, so I need to make sure it's capital, right? The beginning of a sentence. Blank is the pup sad. Why? So capital W. Why is the pup sad? And it's ending with a question. What is that? Question mark. Good job. I can put this away. Away. A-W-A-Y. Good job, first graders.